Wordsworth wrote, "A primrose by the river's brim, a yellow rose was to him, and it was nothing more." Let's look at a very popular flower, the primrose. The primrose or primula is a very popular ornamental flower which is believed to be a native of the Himalayas. These spring blooming flowers come in colors of pink, purple, yellow, red, blue or white. Most of these plants need partial shade and like to retain moisture. In other words, they make your damp, vacant corners bright and colorful. In most gardens, primroses are perennials. They grow through plant divisions as well as through seeds. Primroses can grow indoors as well as outdoors. Their blossoms live for around a month or so and during late winters to spring. Though they like moist soil, but standing water can rot them. Beware, do not ever let the soil get completely dry. Soil should be fertile and adding compost helps. These can grow in pots with ease. They are relatively very easy to care for plants. There are over 500 species of primrose in the world. The amazing name of Primrose symbolizes youth, birth and love. Very subtle and sweet. Their flowers taste like lettuce and sometimes are used as a garnish. According to an old English superstition, a child who ate a primrose might see a fairy. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and see you soon for much more to come.